so I like giving my creations as gifts to family and friends. One of the easiest additions to these pamper hampers is a salt or sugar scrub. All you need is some salt or sugar, a pot, preferably one with a lid, olive oil, fragrance or essential oil, and if you feel really fancy, some mica to add colour. For this one I'm making a lavender scrub and I'm going to send them out with my lavender lace soap. I put in a layer of salt, add some drops of lavender essential oil until I can really smell it, then add in some olive oil. And because I want this coloured, I'm going to add some purple mica. I mix it in layers so that the colour is relatively even and the oil can be mixed in without making too much mess. I then add in more salt and more olive oil to fill the pot. I stir until it looks pretty uniform in colour and then pop the lid on and shake it just to get the oil mixed in. So the consistency, meaning the amount of salt and oil that you mix together, is really up to you. A lot of people describe it as wet sand, but you can make it more oily or more dry depending on your preference.